In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple charts in Thinkorswim. If you want to track more than one stock at the same time, compare symbols side by side, or monitor different timeframes in one place, using a multi-chart layout can make your workflow much more efficient. The good news is that Thinkorswim Web makes this very simple once you know where to look. Start by opening Thinkorswim Web and going to the Charts section. This is where you'll manage your chart view and set up the layout that works best for your trading or analysis style. Once the chart is open, look toward the upper right area of the chart window. You'll see the grid icon there. This is the control that lets you change from a single chart to multiple charts on the same screen. Click the grid icon and then move your cursor over the grid selector. As you hover over the available options, you'll be able to preview different chart arrangements. This helps you quickly choose the number of charts you want to display without guessing. Highlight the layout you want, whether that's a simple 2-chart setup, a 2x2 grid, or something larger like a 3x3 layout. Once the layout you want is highlighted, click to apply it. After that, the chart area will split into multiple chart cells based on the layout you selected. From here, enter a symbol in each chart cell, so each panel displays the market or stock you want to follow. This is the step that turns the layout into a useful monitoring workspace, because each chart can represent a different symbol depending on what you're analyzing. A 2-chart layout is useful if you just want to compare two stocks or watch a stock alongside an index. A 4-chart or 2x2 layout is great for viewing multiple timeframes, such as short-term and long-term charts together. If you use 6 to 9 charts, that works well for monitoring a watch list. And if you go all the way up to 16 charts, that can be helpful for broad market scanning, especially if you want a high-level view of many symbols at once. One helpful tip is to choose a layout based on your screen size. More charts give you more information, but each chart becomes smaller, so readability matters. If things start to feel crowded, switch to a smaller grid and focus only on the symbols that matter most. That's how to add multiple charts in Thinkorswim Web, quickly and efficiently. Once you set it up, it becomes much easier to compare markets and stay organized while analyzing price action.